If your Kia Sportage hesitates or cranks slowly before finally firing up, you are likely dealing with a common fuel or electrical issue. Statistics show that over 70% of these starting delays are caused by simple battery voltage drops or fuel system pressure leaks. Let us break down the diagnostic steps to isolate exactly why your SUV is struggling to wake up. Start by inspecting your battery terminals for corrosion and listening for the fuel pump prime sound when you first turn the key. The most frequent culprits include a failing fuel pressure regulator, worn spark plugs, or a starter motor that is reaching the end of its life. Don't overlook secondary issues like a faulty crankshaft position sensor or a vacuum leak that throws off your air-fuel mixture. You can tackle spark plugs or sensor cleaning at home, but major fuel pump or timing repairs are best left to the professionals. Here is a look at the typical repair costs, showing how a simple battery swap saves you significantly compared to internal fuel system work. If basic checks fail, perform a fuel pressure leakdown test or use a scan tool to monitor live sensor data while cranking the engine. Make sure you have a basic multimeter, an OBD-I scanner, and a fuel pressure gauge ready before diving into the engine bay. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal before handling fuel lines or any sensitive electrical components. Start with the easiest fixes first and don't hesitate to consult your service manual for your specific Sportage model year.